Hey, what's up YouTube? Going to do a quick air fryer video. Asked ChatGPT how to do shrimp in the air fryer. That's what it told me. I got raw shrimp, and we're going to go 375 for 12 minutes and just shake them up halfway through. These couldn't be any more frozen. And I'm going to go and get some olive oil sprayed on them. And if you don't have one of these olive oil sprayers, check the link in the description. Yeah, this thing's actually pretty awesome. And I got some Cajun seasoning, and we're going in 375 for. So we're gonna go 12 minutes, and just shaking and maybe re-seasoning halfway through. All right, we're halfway through. Go ahead and give them another little shake here. You know, ChatGPT wants you to flip them over, but a little bit too much work. So shake and put some more seasoning on them. And we'll go back in here for another 6 minutes. All right, there's our 12 minutes. Go ahead and get them out here. We'll serve them up. That's what we got finished with. Go ahead and plate some here. We'll try one out. It's cooked here. I'm going to do a taste test. And that's actually delicious. Now, I mean, is this the best way to cook shrimp? You know, frozen from in an air fryer? Probably not. But it is definitely one way to do it. This is my second time now, and I probably keep doing it this way forever. It's just super easy. I think it's really hard to screw up, which for me is really important. And don't have much more to add on this. If you guys have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And remember, if you're going to be mean, at least be funny.